I'm going to share a little hack with you guys that's going to help you kind of review some things for your year so far. Super easy to do, and it can give you so much information. So check this out real quick. First of all, have an accounting software. I've been using QuickBooks Online since basically we've been in business. It's gotten a hell of a lot better. Even an idiot like me can figure out how to use it. But let me show you a couple things here real quick. So first of all, in QuickBooks Online, you can come up to a little gear icon over here and you go to your products and services, which is this page here. Now within your products and services, you can save all your products and services. Fucking shocker, right? Now, what you can do in here is you can categorize them. So you can have your add-on services. We do ClearBraw, so you can have ClearBraw services, coding services. It breaks them all down, and in my case, it breaks them all down by size, breaks them all down by price, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, right? So let's say we're going to do a new service here, right? I'll show you how it works. This isn't the cool part. The cool part is how this ties in. So, okay, new service. We're going to call this a hack detail. Category is going to be in detailing. I think $25 is the going rate for a hack detail, according to Craigslist anyway. So we'll put that in there. Now here's the cool part, the income account. Typically, when you set up a new product or service in accounting software, it's going to have it all just dumped into like your service income, right? It's going to go all into one income account. Now this kind of ties into Profit First if you're following that system, but you're going to create different accounts, different income accounts in your software. So in my case, I've already created a detailing income account. Why is this important? Now, anytime we complete anything over in our category of detailing, that money is going to get funneled into a detailing account on paper, like not physically, not on a bank account, but on paper. It's going to go into your detailing account. Same thing will be true with like anything that's in the tinting. It will go. We can have the same thing here. So, or ClearBraw. So we have a ClearBraw income account. Okay, so you can break these down into your main categories. So in our case, it's like ClearBraw, tinting, detailing, coding. So it's like our big heavy hitters, right? Now, what's so cool about that? Not really groundbreaking information until you get into the information that you get from it. So what we get here. Well, let me show you first how you would get to this. Is you go to your reports, just right over here, and you go to your profit and loss. This is your baby right here. This gives you a shit ton of financial information about your business, and it's not that goddamn hard to understand. You click your profit and loss, and you're going to pull up a page like this, minus the blur. So in here, you can set, how you want it to display. So it could be even months, years, quarters, and the period. So like what time frame you're looking at. And here's where you have all of your income accounts. So you can now look up and see, okay, from ClearBraw this month I made this much, from coding jobs I made this much, from detailing jobs I made this much, so on and so forth. Sorry, got a call, of course, from the middle of recording. Sorry, Aaron, I'll call you back, bro. Now, why is this part so cool? Because you can compare. You can compare month to month, year to year, quarter to quarter, whatever. So you come in and you do a separate report, and basically, rather than just running a report for this year, now you're going to compare to another period up here. And in this case, you can compare it to the previous year. And I have it broken down by quarters. So you have January through March, April through June, July through September, etc. So in this first column here, it will tell you how much you've made from each category, income category, for this month or this quarter in this case. And it will then compare it to last year's, or whatever other previous period. In this case, we said previous year. Compare it to last year's, and then you get the wonderful percentages or dollar amount. You can change it over here. I have it set for percentages, and you can see, okay, in our case, like for ClearBraw, we're doing about 10% more. Coatings, we're doing 30% more. Detailing, we're doing almost 50% more. So on and so forth. It'll break it all down. Now, that gives you a shit ton of information of where your business is going, like where you're making your extra money from, or where you're losing money from. Maybe you're not marketing hard enough for coatings because you've been focusing on this over here, but your coatings have been dropping, or you've been making money from mobile services and that's dropping because you've been focusing over here. You can analyze, guys, okay? And it's so, like, I just showed you how fucking simple it is to set up. You just got to set up the products and services and tell it where to go. Very, very simple. Now the other part that ties into this is you can also set up, you can see some of them down here, these expense accounts. So I have expense accounts. So I buy ClearBraw from FlexiShield. So now anytime something shows up as a charge from FlexiShield, it now shows that expense going into this ClearBraw expense account. Or if I buy detailing and coding related stuff, so see behind me, if I buy from CarPro US or if I buy from AutoAlity or Superior Image, like any of the places that I buy detailing and coding stuff from, it will now show up in this category. And now I can look and say, okay, well, hey, my Clearwater, let's say, Clearwater's making me more money, but how much is it costing me? And then I can look at detailing and coatings, and it's making me X amount. Well, how much is it costing me? Now you can actually figure out what one is really making me more. Now the other thing that ties into this obviously is labor, the time or the amount of money spent actually completing services, which I'm not covering here. I'm honestly still working on that on my end, but this will at least give you a fat chunk of information as far as where your business was, where it's going, why it's going up, or why it's going down. And again, it all kind of ties into the same profit first philosophy of just having separate accounts. So hope that helps you guys out. Again, if you have QuickBooks Online, you can go in there and set it up. If you don't, if you got a Costco membership, you actually get a discount on that, which is pretty sick. It's not that expensive, and again, it's simple enough for me to set up. If you guys got any questions on it, let me know, but I hope this helps. And here's to a great Q2 in 2021. Take it easy, y'all.